Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, your YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, I want to share a very beautiful, very stunning designs, very gorgeous videos, and just looking so gorgeous designs. And this is so elegant videos we have to share with you. I have shared with newest designs, and this video is all about the crochet top blouses ideas. Crochet top blouses videos we have to share with newly design, more fabulous, more stunning videos, and just looking gorgeous, just looking for something for attractive ideas. More amazing videos and just looking perfective videos I have shared with you, and so I will more creative videos, creative designs we have to share with newly videos and attractive designs of top blouses ideas. Top blouses are used in different things, different gorgeous videos we have to share with newly ideas. So keep more fabulous, keep more stunning, and keep more amazing videos. So I will keep more amazing videos and newest designs. I hope so. These top blouses are used in different things, different designs, and more amazing designs. So I will give more fabulous videos, give more stunning design, and just looking say some things for attractive ideas. I hope so. Okay, इस तरह के amazing videos हुए and just looking say some things for ideas, and you look very gorgeous, you look very stunning videos. I have shared with you, I have shared with newly designed, newly attractive videos and more stunning videos. Just looking so gorgeous designs and more creative videos. So I more decently designs. Keep amazing, keep sharing, keep newly designs. I hope I top blouses in attractive things. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notifications. Take care, bye bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, your YouTube family.